I show you how the world small, you know. Wait, so the person who catfish me, the picture where them I use, me end up finding the real person. You see me? To the point where a bad things like happen to the real person. I come here and say, you're a girl that take me for idiot. You see me? And when me link my brother now, my brother say, of course I know that girl. I want my next bridging friend like that. And that is why she just escaped everything will go on. Because at this point now, what I do now, I end up being the real person where Crystal did I use as our catfish. I end up finding the real person, and the real person come live and I say, yo, you know, say somebody I use a picture them and a catfish me. Guys, all of this still there, you know. When you can, if you don't want to run a profile, when you can do it, it's supposed to still up on TikTok. Zine? So I end up finding the real person, I come live with the real person and I talk and she say, yo, Jano, that is crazy and rare this and that and blah blah blah. Till that did done. The catfish now, that was so obsessive, end up come live now and have one blood clot mass. Catfish have a mass. Zine? And come with our friend. The friend we able fuck to able. I know you fuck that friend too. I don't even want to call her name. Me get that info there to able. For sure say he's a pussy. You go like you want to fuck off everybody soon. Anyway, yeah man. So I'm not even knock you for that because you're one man. Anyways, yeah, the catfish come live and I say, TJ this and that and I know that you miss me and Ray this and that. To the point where I say, Bumbo Clatter, what is the for me? You see me? To the point, Abel, let me tell you something. You are saying my catfish never deserve an apology. And if you ask that catfish, because she's still crazy now, because the same catfish did actually pop up during your saga and I try to bring me down at the same time. I make it look like say, I try to do the same thing where you do to Louise. You see me? But anyways, me realize that my catfish, I don't know if she obsessed and she come with one story and say, come and say, yo, what the reason why you do this to me? What the real reason why you do this to me? I not even remember the fuckery story she give me. I'm say, you know what? It look like you did flirt and you actually fall in a real love. So here I'm sorry. I apologize to the catfish. I wait later down the road I find out say who the catfish really is. You understand what I say? So that blow off and gone. Yeah, but we are not the same thing. What you do to Louis, bro? Me never do that. None at all. Me and you is not the same thing. You understand what I say to you? You make a last night now, Swagger baby I got message. Here Swagger baby now, no? Message Maya, oh, I'm married for 13 years and me dey tell TJ a lie. It in the phone when me dey live fan, you know. Hold on, let me see if I can put it as green screen. Now show you how Swagger baby I want blood clot liar. I'm gonna show you say Abel actually him tell Swagger baby for stop. Because and then him a try hear now you know say me and Swagger baby never in nothing. Abel, you will know you fuck Swagger baby, bro. We know you been a fucker. Alright, see all the message here. Swagger baby message Maya last night and I tell Nathan about everything was a lie. She just make up one lie. Swagger baby, oh, it feel be blood clot lie. And as I go, when I pull up the rest of the message them. Alright, let me make this focus. Wait there. Alright guys, let me see if I can make this focus. I want to try to make this focus so you can tell me for now. Tell me for now, see it good. So this are the screenshot where Abel like him say, yo, why your message? Oh, this are Abel guys. This are Abel I talk to Swagger. Because I send it to Abel, you know. I send it to Abel and I say, bro, where you make your blood clot waste woman a message Maya for? Zine? So him send this to Swagger like him say, yo, why your message Maya? You not learn. And then him writing the caption and say, yo, TJ think me and you same thing, blah, blah, blah. Yo, TJ think me and you same thing, blah, blah, blah. And a me, blood clot, I have to call the woman and say, yo, even her sister did not try talk to her. You understand? You understand? Swagger baby, I want to moderate them. So the reason why, and when you have this next thing we are talking about, and me, I message a moderator them. Bro, make a moderator them screenshot the conversation and send it to you. Make them screenshot. Don't make it look like me just randomly go in at your moderator them and tell them, say, yo, Able a pussy. And no, me not gonna do that, Able. What the fuck me I do that for, brother? Able, stop feel like say me and you same. You know what you say, you lose weight? Me know says I come back here look, you know. Me know says I come back here look and you try use me now, bro. Me little TJ, bro. Remember say me no, you get podium what 13 times? I one time never get podium, brother, but because nothing I really go on fear, bro. Cause remember, I know me cancel it, Able. What you do to the woman was just straight up fucked up. You should have never sent your body hole to nobody, brother. I curse yourself right there, so. You should have never sent your body hole to nobody, bro. You don't even know the sin we bring down for yourself right there, so dog. You see me? You there fuck off everybody and now it and bad things reach you now and then you want to come. Me literally talk to you and say, Able, apologize to Louise. You there and talk about oh this and that and that. And you make her swagger, baby. You make her swagger. And if you think I lie, me know when Louise see this, she'll come and talk and tell us a swagger baby, call her if it's true. Because I don't know what the fuck the man do to swagger baby now. Oh, you get swagger baby. Yo, me tell you the boy like him walk over if it's true, you know. Because I don't know how him get back swagger baby on him side fear do things to him. And this is not the first time swagger baby a message me, you know, because swagger baby the message them are still there. You can't lie about it. Remember say you send voice note when you all a ball. Say Able take you for blood clot either because you find out say my fuck Kizzy and you find out say my fuck the next big gift at the time. And I don't want to call the big gift her name because I really realize say she try to keep a low profile because the woman Able, you say if you think you get sink yet, you say if that gift that they come out when Louisa talk the things them. You say if that gift that they come out when Louisa at them time there. At them time then everybody that prayers are real pussy because remember say everybody rate that woman there, no. Remember say everybody rate that woman there, bro. And the woman make sure all her own. And let me tell you this, a whole heap of other people, other gifter. When they see Able go foreign and I do this or that, I link him and link up and fuck off the gift of them, where him have. Not all of them. Not all of them. Because I'm not going to tell no lie for nobody when I don't know. But Able make a list over, I mean, as I say, I'm not even business about the fuck part of you, because you're a man, bro. You see me? I not even want to call some of them name, bro. But I can do it, Able. You see me? I can do it, bro. The reason why I call Swagger baby name is because what the fuck she a message Maya for? What the fuck she evil did that message me for in the first place? Swagger baby go suck your mother. You come at him about oh your father police. Your father police and this and that and what that have to do with me? You know who my father is? You gonna tell me say your father police? How the fuck do you know, man? Bro, I say you're maga down, bro. I say you're stressed out. Yeah, alright. So listen now. This nigga, he still come live 1 and 2 times. I'm just because me join him live and I watch the match them. Because bad to bad, him always have some good match. You see me? I'm gonna use fake page. Me tell you, I'm gonna use blood clot fake page. Me is a straightforward person. Which is why me can tell you so me can come here yard right now. Me could say who a punk. I never say me come here come do nothing either. Remember say me is a smart you. Never tell say me come here yard come do nothing. But me just tell you say me can come here yard right now come talk to you face to face and make you have to admit certain things. Right now. Right now, bro. Able me is a law-abiding citizen. I know how to deal with people, brother. So before you go run with and talk about who send threat, yeah, I'm not sure say Able is a little butty boy. And I did like him want to try friend me up last night. Here this nigga now come tell me, yo, TJ, here what go on. This I met last night, you know, after everything was going on, you know. Hear him now. TJ, here I go. Make me a link up now. And we're going to one boxing ring and me a thump it out. Yeah, but go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. What kind of thump out thump? Me look like me a clown to you?